Factorise 6x squared minus 4x. So writing down 6x squared and minus 4x, then we split that into its prime factors. That's 2 times 3 times x times x. 2 times 3, x times x, and then minus 4, we'll write as minus 2 times 2, and then we'll add the times x. Now, identify common factors. So what I did, so we got a 2 and a 2, and we got an x and an x. Okay, so we write down 2x, introduce a bracket, and then what we've got here, we've got a 3x and a 2 left over. So 6x squared minus 4x becomes 2x brackets 3x minus 2. This has been a video to show you how to factorize a simple expression. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.